Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Godalming in Surrey today. Really excited to show you around a very cool poolside room. Despite it being the middle of October, the sun is out for us, and really excited to show you around a bespoke building that's got a unique design. So this beautiful building is 7 meters wide, 3.9 meters deep, and has the bifolding doors working perfectly in line. You see there with the pool, it really does look nice. The pool's covered over now today because it is an October day, but beautifully finished building and got some unique designs in it, and we'll show you around those. But being used by all the family, they said they hadn't really realised how much they were going to use this. So not only is it a poolside room, 2 teenage children are coming down using it as a bit of a bar, as a chill out area, and she's also just told me, the clients has told me that they've had their mum in swimming, who's in their 80s, and they use this to dry off and everything like that. You can also see the cat's absolutely loving it. So as you can see here, really nicely done. What we needed is a plant room part, which I'll show you in a second, which is here, that back right corner. It's a 1.8 by 1.2 you access from the side, but we've mirrored that on the other side, so exactly the same size, to give this nice symmetry in here, and that has become a toilet and changing room. So really nicely done in here. Big large towel rail so you can keep all of the towels dry for the pool, and this was installed by my plumbing team. This is supplied by Victoria Plumbing. This is all in one unit, so you've got the basin sitting there with some cupboards and toilet. Really nice space, and a big area, so more than a changing room, so more than a toilet, it's a changing room as well. And then a fantastic Howden's kitchen and Howden's island installed. Again, we've done all of this work for the client. Includes there a really nice a bit of fridge space there for the drinks, and there's some champagne in there we might find. Just really lovely done, and this island sits lovely, so you can actually sit on the island here and look out to the swimming pool and really feel integrated with the with the outside area and the space there. We've also got a lovely little seating area there. Drainage was done by another company and does run, naturally flows back up the garden, which is really nicely done for them. And yeah, just a really lovely use and space, I think. If I show you around the side here, this is that plant room that was needed, and really well done. Very impressed with the painted floor there, and all of the filter systems, shelving, the hot water cylinder there that heats up the basin and the sink, and then all the electrics and everything that you need there. So a bit of a working room there, but really does work well. You can the pool companies can come in and access this privately without needing to get into the rest of the building. Bifold doors are the aluminium. You can see they've got this smoked glass, which is our anti-sun grey Lowy, and it's also got the integrated blinds, so then blinds come down, give some nice privacy. They actually come down here and have kind of video movie nights down here and watch it. I've got to say, really like the white frame TV and Sonos system there. Really is a nice touch. It's just a beautiful space, so hope that's of interest. V600 inside of the cladding. It's rare that we do this one, but actually in this size room it does work really nice. Hopefully you're picking that up. All in that the colour called Timeless, and yeah, just really nicely done. So base was done by others on this, the drainage was done by others, but all the plumbing, the electrics inside, internet, all of that fully completed by us, including that toilet changing room, which I really do like. So there you go. I mean, bifolding doors and swimming pools and poolside rooms really do make a huge difference, and I think this integration is lovely during the summer, but it's warm, dry, and used all year round by all of the family, and the clients are super happy with it. So yeah, there you go. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and leave your comments below. What do you think about this building and that island in the middle? It's not one we've done like that before, so we'll be interested in your thoughts. Thank you.